Good Thursday morning, South Carolina weather watchers. I'm the host for South Carolina Weather, Jesse Peterson. Let's go ahead and start off with the weather for your Thursday morning. Now, looking at the radar right now for South Carolina, clear and calm condition. No rain is falling inside of South Carolina right now. If we went ahead and zoom out and look at the entire U.S., as you can see, can't really say the same thing. Let's go ahead and turn on the MRMS. And as you can see, obviously, we have heavy rain and maybe even some severe storm over here inside of Illinois. Turn on the winter radar to see the rain and the snow. We do have all of this heavy rain inside the Midwest going into the Ohio Valley and the Upper Lakes region. We also have some rain and some snow over here inside of the Rocky Mountains, and as well as some rain to the east. We do have a bit of a rain snow mix down here near Las Vegas, and I'm not really looking at anything else too much. Some snow inside the Great Lakes region, some snow maybe up here inside North Dakota, and some snow up here inside of Maine, and that's pretty much all that's going on inside the United States right now. Let's go ahead and move on to our cloud cover. The cloud cover right now is looking actually pretty fantastic. Seems like we don't really have a cloud inside the sky, so that is a great thing to know and to hear. I will say that definitely those clouds will start increasing tomorrow, for sure. But so enjoy this day, I should say. Enjoy this day while we have it. High around like the low 80s, but we'll talk about the highs later. Here's our current temperatures right now: 52 inside of Columbia, 44 inside of Greenville, 52 inside Charleston, 52 inside of Myrtle Beach, 48 inside of Lourdes, 46 inside of Florence, 48 Sumter, 46 Augusta, 50 Savannah, 50 Beaufort, 50 Walterboro, 52 Moncks Corner, 46 Union, 44 Rock Hill, 46 Anderson, 46 Newberry Greenwood, and 50 Winnsboro. So those are our current temperatures around the area, or around the state. Here's our maximum temperatures. This is the first time that we have ever seen some brown start to get into our region. As you can see, around 81 degrees is the max for Columbia, 82 for Augusta, 82 inside of Sumter, 83 Florence, 70s along the coast for Charleston, Myrtle Beach, 79 up there inside of the upstate as well. So definitely the hottest parts of South Carolina is going to be the inland low country regions, the inland PD regions, and the Midlands. Those are going to be the hottest areas throughout the state today. We won't be as quite as hot as places like Louisiana. As you can see, they're in like the almost the high 80s. But yeah, we're just gonna have to um, watch for this heat. It's gonna be hot today. If you consider 80 degrees to be hot, then yes, it will be hot. But as of right now, it's nice and cool. So you might be like, oh, well, it might not be too hot today. But in reality, it really is. 24-hour wind gust. Sorry about that. We do have the chance of seeing some 10 to 15 mile per hour wind gusts throughout most of the state today. So not really anything that we have to worry about. We also do have our 24-hour precipitation. No precipitation is expected for the next 24 hours. And here is our day 2 categorical outlook. Day 1, we do have an enhanced risk of severe weather for places up to our north and west, but nothing for us in particular. But we do have a day 2 risk of severe storms for tomorrow. And I was just talking about this. I was saying that it was really uncertain if we were going to get those severe storms or not. And according to the SPC, they updated it, and it looks like it is. Now, if you're in places like Beaufort, Charleston area, Georgetown, Myrtle Beach, you guys should be pretty much clear for when it comes to severe weather, but everybody else, Florence, Sumter, Columbia, the upstate of South Carolina, Allendale, Augusta, all these places is indeed going to be included in this chance for severe storms. And if we go to the tornado outlook, we do have a 2% chance of tornadoes tomorrow. So you do have to watch out for that if you're inside that green region. No chance of hail, but we do have a 5% chance of damaging winds as well tomorrow. So you're just going to have to wait and see what happens. If we do need to go live tomorrow, whenever it starts moving through the region, like if we get some severe thunderstorm warnings, maybe even a tornado warning, I will be going live and we will be covering that. So watch out for those notifications tomorrow, but we'll know way more tomorrow as well. Also, let's check out the day 1 through 8 as well, because I did not notice that. Nothing really for day 1 through 8. But yeah, there's the enhanced risk up there. You can see it up here, the top left corner. We do have that enhanced risk severe weather that does come with a 10% chance of tornadoes and a 30% chance of damaging hail. So if you know anybody inside these regions up here, Arkansas, Oklahoma, Missouri, let them know. Tell them that they have dangerous weather tomorrow, on Friday as well. Not only do we have a chance for severe thunderstorms, but we do have a 5% chance of seeing flash flooding for places like Allendale, Beaufort, the upstate near like Anderson, Greenville, Spartanburg, all those places. Maybe southwestern Columbia. All these places are included inside of a marginal risk of excessive rainfall, meaning a 5% chance of flash flooding. And that's going to be about it for when it comes to that. If we go actually 72 hours out, see how much rainfall falls in around 72 hours. I'd say around a good half an inch for that marginal risk region, maybe a couple of 4/10 of an inch. Maybe 3/10 of an inch for most of South Carolina, and then 2/10 of an inch near Charleston. But that's going to be about it. Thank y'all so much for watching this forecast update. And I will see y'all this evening with another forecast update.